Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you reverse on CapCut. So just go to CapCut app, click on new project option here. You can see it will lead you to your gallery. Now just pick a video. I'm just picking this. Here you can see in the bottom right add option, click on add. Now you can delete the ending, click on it, and you can see in the bottom right delete option, just click on delete. Now do like this, split in the middle, click on the bottom left edit option, and the very first option split, click on it. Now click on copy, which is in the bottom right, swipe it, and here you can see copy option, click on copy. Now delete the last one. Here you can see the third video and delete the last one. Now you can see the two videos. Now make the second video reverse. Click on the second video and you can see in the bottom right, swipe it, and here you can see reverse, click on it. Now here you can see the video is reversed. So guys, this is how can you reverse video on CapCut. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.